What's up, dudes and dudettes? My name is Byron, and tonight I'm going to show you some certain shirts that I used to wear when I was a kid while I'm looking for certain things and organizing certain things since we're moving out. Here's some I want to show you. Oh, and I bought some of them at, like, theme parks. First shirt I want to show you is the fact that I used to have, like, I used to wear this shirt. We bought it from Walt Disney World. And it was from 2008. I was a kid back then, so it was a small shirt for me. Well, it was medium, but I'm not wearing anymore. Maybe I could keep this so that I can show my kids and let them wear it. So, yeah. So that one's a decade old. And this one is a shirt. It is another shirt which I bought at Kings Island when Nickelodeon was around. I bought this in 2008. It was probably a tank top shirt, honestly. And it's a medium one. I don't wear this anymore, but I can keep this as like treasure or something. So this is something. I mean, I do have some others I used to wear, but I'm not going to show you right now. But if you want, I can. And this is a dress shirt. These used to have long sleeves, but we cut them so that I wouldn't be so hot in them. And it was like late spring around the time. It was something. So, those are just the shirts I have. And I also have the Snoopy Halloween version, which is this right here. It's pretty cool. I mean, those are all the shirts I can show you right now, but well, I did wear some shirts from when I was growing up, especially some of my uniforms. I'm not going to show you them right now, but they were awesome. So, thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. This is me, Byron, signing off. Peace.